Today we talk about the Xiaomi 14 Pro versus Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of $999 and Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 213 gram and Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 223 gram. The build of the devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with front and glass and back glass and titanium frame. The both model come with dual SIM support. Let's go to the display of the devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16nm color and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion colors. The screen size, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7 inches display and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 6.73 inches display. And the resolution of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1344 by 2992 pixels and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 1440 by 3200 pixels. And the PPI density, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 522 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 489 PPI density. And the refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices. And the screen to body ratio, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 87.4% and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 89.6% screen to body ratio. And the protection of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Xiaomi Longjing Glass. And the screen brightness is Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60fps video. And the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video with Leica lens. The selfie camera of the device is the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and of Google Pixel 7 8 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel of selfie camera, and both mobile record 4K 60fps video with selfie camera. The platform of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Nona-core Cortex-X3 CPU and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU. And the chipset of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Google Tensor Gen 3 4nm chipset and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with a Moteless G715s and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Adreno 750. And the both device come with Android 14 operating system. And the memory of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. And the battery of the device is the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 4880 watt mAh battery and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery. And the fast charging, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 120 watt fast charging and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging. The wireless charging, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 50 watt wireless charging and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 23 watt wireless charging. And the both devices come with 5G network support. And the commons and feature is same in both devices, and the result of these devices is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 22 point got and the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 27 point.